Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I'm here to talk about my overall progress and my experience with SAF This is, of course, about the 8th time I've been using SAF Up to this moment, I feel like I have developed interventions that have been working for me for this course as well as my previous courses. As you can tell by my data, for Deck 1 and Deck 2, I was able to meet the goals. The goal of 14 needed. And for Deck 3, I'm currently at a score of 13 for my Axel. I'm hoping that by next week I'll be able to hit the goal and even surpass it. Some of the interventions that I have been doing include having a set time that I study every day. For example, every day I begin studying at the same time and I end studying at the same time. I make sure that I get that I get 45 minutes of studying. Right after that, I go to my timings, and that goes on for 15 minutes. After those 15 minutes are up, I then record what my highest score was for the day. How I study, basically I'll read both sides of the card, of course, out loud, but I begin first by reading the definition side and seeing if I can guess what the word would be in the front, and then if I do, I turn it over and read that word out loud. If I get it incorrect, I still turn it over and read it out loud. I also split the deck into smaller decks, basically so I can get to each card in that deck and make sure that I don't miss any. I also only study and do my timings in my room, which is the quietest place in my house currently and where I won't be distracted. I also put my phone on do not disturb mode during this time frame, starting from my studying time until my timings are done. Also, again, to ensure that I won't be disturbed, I won't be distracted or bothered by anything, and to focus only on studying and timings. I also put my timer at a certain tone, a more melody, softer tone to minimize the aversiveness of the timer, and to not feel the pressure of the timer. So far, everything has been working for me. I haven't had to make any adjustments to my interventions. As I said, I've been seeing results, so I haven't felt the need to make any changes. And I don't plan on making any changes for this upcoming week. But basically, here's my data, and this is my take on SAF Thank you.